Welcome drivers, I'm Jordan, and I'm here to help you earn more with Uber and Uber Eats without working yourself to exhaustion. Whether you're new or experienced, the key is working smarter, not just longer. We'll cover strategies to find the best spots, drive at the most profitable times, and use every feature the Uber app offers. The top earners don't just drive more, they drive strategically. Think of yourself as the CEO of your own business. Your car is your office, and your time is your most valuable asset. This guide is your business plan for turning that asset into real income without sacrificing your whole week. We'll break down tactics like reading the heat map, stacking promotions, juggling Uber and Uber Eats, and tracking expenses for tax time. These are practical steps you can use on your next shift. By the end, you'll have a toolkit to earn more, stress less, and actually enjoy your time on the road. Let's get started on your path to smarter, more profitable driving. The heat map in your Uber app is your earnings compass. Red zones mean high demand, more rides, higher fares. But don't just chase the deepest red. Look for areas that are busy consistently, not just during a fleeting surge. Know your city's permanent hotspots, airports, downtown business districts, entertainment venues, and nightlife areas. Position yourself near but not in the chaos, like a few blocks from a stadium after an event. For airports, learn the pickup rules and queue system to save time. The goal: minimize dead miles driving without a passenger. Use your knowledge of the heat map and hotspots to create a smart route. Start your morning near a commuter hub shift downtown for the rush, then move to a university as classes end. Don't wait for pings, move proactively from one busy area to the next. This keeps your wheels turning and your earnings up. Mastering these patterns is what separates top earners from the rest. Make the map work for you, not the other way around. Timing is everything. Your earnings depend on when you drive. For rides, focus on weekday morning and evening commutes plus Friday and Saturday nights. These are peak hours with surge pricing. For Uber Eats, target lunch, 11 a.m. 2 p.m. and dinner, 5:30 p.m. 9 p.m. rushes, especially near offices and residential areas. Late night weekends can be lucrative for both rides and eats, but always weigh the risks and your comfort level. Build your schedule around these demand windows. If you're part-time, try split shifts. Morning commute, break, then evening rush. This way, you maximize earnings in fewer hours, saving gas and time. Don't waste your day driving during slow periods. Concentrate your efforts where and when the money is. Smart scheduling means more pay for less work. Work the peaks, skip the slumps. Want to keep downtime low? Use both Uber and Uber Eats at the same time. The double app dash. Keep both request types active. When a ping comes in, decide if it's worth it based on payout and location. Fill slow ride periods with food deliveries and vice versa. Never accept a new request while you're still on a trip. Focus on one at a time for safety and good ratings. As you near a drop-off, start looking for your next request. This minimizes idle time and keeps your earnings steady. The goal: a seamless flow from ride to delivery and back, always with your next trip lined up. Master this, and you'll rarely sit still. Uber's incentives, quests, boosts, and consecutive trips are your secret weapons for bigger paydays. Quests reward you for hitting a set number of trips in a time frame. Check your app weekly and plan your shifts to hit these targets. Boosts multiply your fare in certain zones and times. Stack them with surge pricing for double bonuses. Consecutive trips bonuses pay extra for completing several trips in a row without going offline or declining requests. The real magic? Stacking these promotions. Imagine you're on a quest in a boost zone during a surge, and you hit a consecutive trips bonus, all on the same night. That's how top drivers turn a good shift into a great one. Always check your app for new offers and plan your driving to overlap incentives. Don't leave free money on the table. Promotions can easily add 20-30% to your earnings if you use them right. Make every trip count. Stack, strategize, and cash in. That's how you supercharge your income. Tips can make up 10-20% of your income, so maximize them. Start with the basics. Greet passengers by name. Be polite and end with a friendly farewell. Keep your car clean and fresh. No one tips in a dirty, smelly ride. Offer small comforts. Ask about temperature or music and have phone chargers handy for Uber Eats. Use an insulated bag and send a quick, polite message when you deliver. Safe, smooth driving is non-negotiable. No aggressive moves, always follow the rules. Passengers tip when they feel comfortable and respected. Little extras like tissues or hand sanitizer show you care for deliveries. Neat presentation and a quick, enjoy your meal message go a long way. Combine courtesy, cleanliness, and safety for maximum gratuity. These small touches add up to bigger tips every week, make every ride and delivery tip-worthy. You're running a business. Track every expense to save big at tax time. The biggest deduction? Mileage. Use an app to log every work mile, from pickups to drop-offs and in between. Keep receipts for anything you buy for your driving business. Phone bills, chargers, cleaning supplies, even Uber's service fees. Organize your records with a simple folder or spreadsheet. These deductions lower your taxable income, keeping more money in your pocket. Unsure what counts? Consult a tax pro who knows gig work. Don't leave money on the table. Track, deduct, and save. Good records mean less stress and more profit. Start today and tax season will be a breeze. Your health and safety come first, always. Take regular breaks to stretch, eat, and recharge. Don't drive for hours without stopping. Trust your instincts. If a pickup feels unsafe, cancel it. Use Uber's safety features and share your trip with someone you trust. Set boundaries. Don't chase every surge at the expense of sleep or family time. Balance is key. Get enough rest, eat well, and make time for life outside driving. Burnout is real. Protect your mental and physical health. Remember, you control your schedule and your safety. Share tips and support with other drivers. Community makes us all stronger. Use these strategies to drive smarter, earn more, and stay safe. You've got the tools, now put them to work. Happy driving.